How to make the best tiger nut pudding from homegrown tiger nuts. You will need tiger nuts. I'm using homegrown tiger nuts, but you can use store-bought tiger nuts. Oats, dates, fruits, banana, blueberries, and nuts. After harvesting tiger nuts in Organic Aphrodisiac, wash thoroughly until they are nice and clean. Remove the seeds from the dates. They are the sweetener. You can use more or less dates. Once tiger nuts and dates are prepped, transfer them into a speed blender. Add oats, water, cover and blend until smooth. Pour, blend into a bowl, over a strainer. Once tiger nut is blended, it gets sour very easily. To prevent that, add ice. Strain the blend, adding water. After straining, transfer into a pot and cook on medium to low heat, stirring occasionally until it thickens. Tiger nuts and dates contain calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium that are beneficial to one's health. They add balance to one's central nervous system, reduce cholesterol level, and stimulate the liver. They are also used for weight loss and cleansers. Tiger nut pudding is ready to serve. Enjoy immediately or store in the fridge. Consume in 2 to 3 days. Garnish with your favorite fruits and nuts. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe and kindly become our esteemed channel member via the join button to get access to members only posts and perks instantly.